Hi guys! Welcome back to Gloria's Platter. Today we are making this delicious appetizer. Ulundu Vade, as known in Sri Lanka, or Medu Vada, as known in India, is a very popular appetizer. I will use this GITS mix and it says you could make 45 Medu Vadas. Let's see how many we will be able to make. This is the large packet and I will follow the instructions. The mix is coarse and not fine. According to the instructions, you need 550 milliliters of water to form a soft dough. I am using a whisk and adding water gradually. Now let's look at the vegetables we are going to add to this mixture. So over here I have finely diced onions, finely cut fresh curry leaves, finely cut green chilies, about 5 of them, crushed garlic, about 3 cloves, crushed ginger, about 1 inch long root, and finally cilantro, finely cut. You add everything to the Medu Vada flour mixture and mix well. Cilantro is actually coriander leaves. After mixing, set this aside for about 15 minutes. Heat the oil and start making the Medu Vadas. Take a bit of the dough like this and first form into a ball. Flatten it with the palm and make a hole to make donut shape. I like to make a few while the oil is heating up. Deep fry them a few at a time until golden brown. You can see that they puff up. Fry for about 3 minutes on each side to brown evenly. Look how beautiful they are. Oh, this one looks like it can fry for another minute or so. So guys, I managed to make 35 Medu Vadas, or as we call it in Sri Lanka, Ulundu Vade, out of this packet. It is served with mint coconut chutney. The recipe link to the chutney is included in the description box. Please remember to give me a thumbs up. If you still have not done so, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. And if you hit the bell next to it, you won't miss any future videos from me. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.